Hello friends, myself Dr. Manoj Charde, Assistant Professor, Government College of Pharmacy, Karat, herewith delivering a lecture on instrumental method of analysis. After attending this lecture, you will be able to understand the concept of instrumental methods, apply this concept in the various analysis, and classify various instrumental technique on the basis of their principles. The first thing what we have to teach in the instrumental method is what is analytical chemistry. So analytical chemistry defined as the science and art of determining the composition of material in terms of elements or compound contents. It is concerned with chemical characterization of a material. It involves qualitative and quantitative determination of content of compounds. Now, after the definition, we'll go with the classification of analytical methods. So, analytical techniques which used in analytical methods are classified as chemical method of analysis and physical method of analysis. The chemical method of analysis are with the classical method, and in the physical method of analysis, here we use the instruments as instrumental methods. So we will talk first about the chemical methods. These are the classical and conventional method. So here there are two important methods which we use to carry out. The first is gravimetric method and second is the volumetric method. In the gravimetric method, we used to analyze the compound with the variation of weight, and second one is volumetric method, where we used to carry out acid-base titration. That's what we call it as neutralization method. Oxidation reduction titration, that what we called as redox method, precipitation titration, and the last one is complexometric titration. So the reflection point of this particular lecture is enlist the different type of instrumental methods which are available and their appropriate applications. The next point is the instrumental method, that is a physical method of analysis. In the instrumental method, we use the three concepts in which these methods are classified. The first one is what we call as optical method, second one is called as electrochemical method, and third one is called as a miscellaneous method. Now we'll go one by one. First we'll go with the optical method. So optical methods are the methods where involve interaction of electromagnetic radiation with the matter, and these are based on the four principles. That is, first one is absorption of EMR, emission of EMR, scattering or refraction of EMR, and the last one is rotation of EMR. Based on these four principles, the instruments are developed, and the instruments are work on this principle. In the first absorption of EMR, the first instrument what we use is UV visible spectrophotometer, IR spectrophotometer, NMR, and X-ray spectroscopy. The examples of emission of EMR, here one is the fluorescence spectroscopy, phosphorescence, and the last one is a flame photometry. Scattering or refraction of EMR, where the instruments involved are nephelometry, turbidometry, Raman spectroscopy, and refractometry. And the last principle is rotation of EMR, where it is a polarimetry is an instrument which we use on the principle. Now the next part is electrochemical method. In the electrochemical method, the first method which we use is potentiometry, that is pH metry, conductometry, voltammetry, polarography, amperometry, and coulometry. So these are the different types of electrochemical method where the change in the conductance is observed on the basis of transfer of electron. The last method, what we call it as a miscellaneous method, where the thermometric analysis, that is thermal change analysis, is carried out by DSC, and the thermogravimetric method is also where the TG and DTA is an example. So these are all the method what we have studied. Now, what are the advantage of instrument method over the conventional method? The first and the most important advantage is high sensitivity, accuracy for the analysis, small sample can be used for the analysis purpose, measurement obtained are reliable and reproducible, fast determination, complex sample can be handled easily, and process can be made automatic. So the limitation of the instrumental method, because of its accuracy, high sensitivity and fast analysis, the instruments are having the high cost, necessary to use the reference standard all the time, because we have to fit to the instrument the standard against which analysis we carried out, and the skilled persons are required for this analysis. So this is all about the instrumental method of analysis. Hope this video will elaborate the various types of instrumental method of analysis and helpful for you. Thank you very much. Thank you.